Colleagues, I keep thinking about the families in my district and across Oregon who are already stretched far too thin. I'm thinking about the parents who are working full-time but still watching their grocery bills climb. I'm thinking about the senior who has to track every prescription refill and is worried about unexpected costs this month. I'm thinking about the patients sitting in a waiting room filled with anxiety and wondering if their coverage has changed. And I'm worried about the many others who are already facing skyrocketing health insurance premiums, with some having more than doubled. As we know, Oregon chose not to disconnect from the federal tax code in 2025. And because of this, our state will automatically send nearly $1 billion in state tax revenue to corporations and the ultra-wealthy on top of the federal giveaways included in the big, beautiful bill. This is happening at a time when Oregon also stands to lose $490 million in federal Medicaid funding over the next 2 years. Over the next 10 years, this will grow into billions. Billions that help fund the Oregon Health Plan, billions that keep families and their children insured, seniors stable, and working families connected to primary care and mental health services. As a nurse, I have seen what happens when coverage disappears. And I'll let you in on a secret. People don't stop getting hurt or sick. Instead, they delay care and they show up in emergency rooms sicker, with more complications, and are more expensive to treat. The need for healthcare doesn't go away when funding is cut. It becomes more chaotic, more inequitable, and much more costly in the long run. People across Oregon benefit from the Oregon Health Plan. In Malheur County, it's more than half. In Jefferson County, more than half. In Josephine, Klamath, Douglas, and Coos, it is nearly half. And for clarity, even our largest counties have populations that need Medicaid services. These programs impact Oregon families and are the backbone of rural communities. These federal cuts are not mere budget adjustments, they are structural disruptions impacting our infrastructure. And I'm urging us to respond. Oregon has built a system rooted in looking out for one another, not to pad the wealth of mega corporation CEOs and shareholders at a time when income inequality is already out of control. We must ask ourselves, will we defend and invest in those who need us most, or put even more dollars in the pockets of corporations and the ultra-wealthy?